Hey guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how to fine-tune an AI model to be an e-commerce product description writer. Let's take a look at the dataset that is needed to do that. In the dataset manager, you create input-output examples of product descriptions with the product name and the article number, all of this unstructured data with information about your product, and the corresponding product description in your tone of voice and in the layout you want it to have. Usually you would have it already existing on your website, so you can just create these pairs in no code in our dataset manager. In order to edit any of these examples, you can just simply create a new version, go in and start editing. And you can create new rows and see in our div view what has been changed in the dataset manager, what has been added. So let's assume that these, for the sake of the demo, these are enough. So you have a bunch of variety of products for your fictional brands Ocean Breeze with different kind of swimsuits and product descriptions, and then the output that you want to put on your website in this specific format. Let's go. You would click Merge Changes, and then all of these new additions will be added to the dataset. But let's assume the dataset is complete. The next step would be taking this dataset and fine-tuning a model. With FinetuneDB, you can either fine-tune any OpenAI models, or we provide serverless inference for open source models, such as the latest Llama and Mistral models. Then you give it a custom model name, V1, and just hit deploy. Then on the back end, the model will be fine-tuned, and in your model section, you have an overview about what kind of models you're currently fine-tuning. I fine-tuned ahead of time a model on this data set, so we can take a look at it now. So next step would be you can go into the studio, and we can compare different models, GPT-4o versus GPT-4o Mini, and to see the performance. Let's load a preset for this product description writer example. On the left-hand side, you have the standard GPT-4o. On the right hand, we have the fine-tuned version that is fine-tuned on these 10 examples that we saw previously. This is a new example that is not part of the data set, and now we want to see how the fine-tuned model reacts. Let's run them against one another. And you can see on the left-hand side, the non-fine-tuned version, while it creates a product description, it obviously doesn't follow the format that we would like. And then with only 10 examples on the right-hand side, it immediately follows the layout that is shown in the fine-tuning dataset collection. So this is just a simple example how fine-tuning can bring a better performance on a very limited dataset. You can add more examples for different products, and by that you create a custom product description writer for your e-commerce shop. Thanks very much.